I have 10 IKEA products you need under $20. Welcome back to the channel. I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. I'm going to bring you inside the doors of IKEA and highlight the most insane decor deals, memory foam pillow price drops, $5 salad spinners, portable infuser bottles for $8, folding trays, and storage solutions that you do not want to miss. This video is not sponsored in any way. If you do like this content, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And as I make my way through the list, I'll be struggling to pronounce each of the IKEA product names so you can better locate them if you do choose to purchase them. The first thing you should be buying at IKEA under $20 is the Dragon. Easy to pronounce, to start at least, easy to afford. It's a 20-piece flatware set for $19.99, heavy-duty flatware at under $1 per piece. If you're looking for a flatware tray to organize it, this is the Smacker, 99 cents, plastic, but easy to clean. And again, this entire flatware tray, under $1, nice organizer for really any drawer, and you could use this in or out of the kitchen. It could even work with office utensils. Say hello to the Kungsfors, the magnetic utensil rack, $16.99. You can stick this to a wall or a tile. It works with spatulas, soup ladles, really anything magnetic. And the bamboo chopping board you see right here for $9.99, also referred to as the Aptitlig, is great for any slicing and dicing in your kitchen. It is a strange name, and by the way, if you are making your way through this and you are of Swedish descent and you're hearing me butcher words, please feel free to correct me. In the number 2 spot of what you should be buying at IKEA under $20, the plastic bag dispenser here for $2.99. I know you guys have seen these as the basic ways to store your plastic bags, but it's also great for a pantry under a sink. It's perfect for a mudroom. You could use this with toilet paper rolls in the kitchen as well as gloves and socks. And this IKEA product is called the Era. The flexible laundry basket you see right here is called the Torkus, $7.99, baby blue, easy to transport. It doesn't have any of those hard edges, so if you are carrying around your laundry, it doesn't touch up against your body in bad ways like I've run into on the stairs. The coat and hat rack you see right here with 5 hooks for $12.99 is called the Kartotek. It can be nailed anywhere, but I really like the design. It's good for hats or coats. And the boot tray here called the Bagamuck is $3.99. It can not just handle muck, but salt, ice, sleet, any type of dirty shoe. I've featured many different boot trays in the past, but this one is heavy duty. It gets the job done. Solid, durable plastic. In the number 3 spot of what you should be buying at IKEA under $20, this product thankfully is free of any mispronunciation on my part because it's just a huge selection of modern frames that range anywhere from $12.99 to $19.99. You get the modern frames, the traditional gold frames, really anything you can think of for family photos or artwork. They have all different types of names. You can find them out yourself and read them on your car ride home. The modern vases and candle holders you see right here range from $8 to $19.99. Same quality as what you'd see at a Home Goods, but pricing is very competitive. The vases or vases are called the Stilren, and then there's also these modern candle holders which have a lantern look and can also be hung with the top hook. This pen picture holder here for $2.99 is called the Moj Lihet. It holds a few pens, but also favorite family photos. I brought this home from my IKEA shopping haul. I put it on my work desk, and I love the way it not only allows me to look at photos of my wife and daughter, but also handle a couple of writing utensils. The bamboo kitchen tablet stand you see right here for $12.99 is called the Vivala. I featured one in the past, however, this one is made of bamboo and has a much nicer aesthetic. In the number 4 spot, the Mappa is $4.99, and that is a pitcher with lid. Beautiful design, kind of looks like an infuser, but I'll get to one that actually is an infuser in a moment. This would be great for sweet tea, iced coffee, any of your favorite drinks. This infuser bottle with straw for $5.99 is not only portable, it's called an Aplata. Now, this is great for lemon or cucumber infused beverages, which are very popular in my household. It includes a straw, so you can use it on the go. Lemon water, strawberry water, you name it, a great grab under $6. I did bring this home. My wife loves lemon water, and I figured this would make her happy, and it did. If you're looking for a spare pillow for a guest room or something that's not overly firm, but surprisingly decent for $6.99, this queen pillow called the Wildkorn is a nice soft pillow, but the one that I actually prefer is called the Rumsalva. I don't know if I'd want to sleep on something called that every night, but once I was able to experience the higher quality, the memory foam breathability, and a price of $17.99, this queen pillow did check the right box. In the number 5 spot, as I continue my roundup of the top IKEA products under 20 bucks, it's the Bjarnum, and more importantly, just an extra long metal hook for $4.99. Now, this was displayed in the IKEA I visited with a tennis racket on display, but it is great for any type of garage storage, for sports equipment, hanging helmets, even oversized pool towels or sport bags. The next two products have the same product name, and I love them both. The first is the Brogrund wall shelf with towel rail, $19.99. Really modern towel rack with 4 holders. Great if you have a giant shower like the one here, or just a great way to upgrade your overall bathroom fixtures. The corner bathroom wall shelf, also the Brogrund for $14.99. I like that it's called Brogrund, like I can store my man shampoo and man shower products on it. This is a 3-tier corner bathroom shelf with hooks, a nice modern alternative to the ones that hang from your shower head, which in our last home actually caused a leak because the shampoos were too heavy and it actually dragged the shower head down over time. Each shelf is also open, so you could actually place soap on them, plus additional hooks for loofahs or washcloths. The glass soap dispenser you see right here, 99 cents. It does not look like it's $1. It's called the Takan. It's actual glass with a pump for 99 cents. Great for hand soaps or moisturizer. The toilet brush and holder you see right here for 99 cents is called the Bowlman. Nothing more masculine sounding than just bringing this into the bowl of your perhaps spare bathroom, because it is quite small, but I do consider this to be of a higher quality than what I've seen at dollar stores. Comes in black and white. In the number 6 spot, prepare for great puns and then storage solutions. The spice rack you see right here is the Bekvim. If you want to play it like Bekvim when it comes to your spices, $4.99 is an incredible price. Made of wood, could be attached to a wall or a cabinet / pantry door. Great to maximize kitchen space. You can also stack them on top of each other. Next, for $14.99, Scott Dis kitchen office pegboard for you. Now, it had a bunch of attachments for folders. I hope you enjoyed that pathetic attempt at a pun. This had a bunch of attachments for folders. Magazines, a great way to declutter a home or an office. It has an industrial look, but it could very well suit any space. Comes with a bunch of accessories that includes the 2-pack folder pockets for $3.99, a 3-pack metal cup container for $4.49, and a 3-pack of hooks for $2 that all work with the pegboard. Aren't you glad I found a modern metal tray table for $19.99? The concept here is you can take off the top and also use it as a serving tray. In the number 7 spot, and thank you for bearing with me if you guys do like this content, please feel free to give this video a thumbs up. The storage solutions that I'd like to begin with include a 6-gallon clear storage bin called the Samla, $3.99, and again, 6 gallons, really nice and sturdy, great for sports equipment, cleaning accessories, toys, extra linen. A wonderful way to keep yourself organized and also see what's inside for quick access. Take a look at the Pruta, a 17-piece green food storage set for $5.99. It looks like some of the ones I've seen at Dollar Tree, but this is 17 pieces. IKEA does not count the lids, so you get 17 different size food storage containers for $5.99. As I rabble on about storage options, the bamboo lid storage box you see right here with adjustable compartments, $12.99, 4 inches tall. It has the lid, so you can store anything inside from toys to socks. You could even use this in the bathroom to store bath-related accessories. Bamboo with inserts divide the contents, and it also withstands moisture. The Lenart, or Lenart, is this metal 3-drawer storage system for $14.99. I really do like this. If you need a new set of drawers for an office or even a kid's bedroom, you get 3 racks of storage. Solid find under 15 bucks. In the number 8 spot, before I get to one of the best folding chair deals I have ever seen, the 8-pack of kids colorful hangers, or this could be for an adult. $1.49 gets you 8 of these. They're called the Bagus, and they are really high quality. And compared to something you'd find at a dollar store, I always favor hangers from IKEA. They're really well made, including this 8-pack of wood hangers. $4.99, high quality wood. These are called the Boomerangs, and the 10-pack of black hangers you see right here called the Sprutigs, $1.49. In the number 9 spot, and perfectly timed for the holidays, this 4-bottle metal wine rack for $12.99 is called the Wurm. It attaches to a wall. It can be placed on its back so it sits on a table or hung on a wall. Alternatively, there's a solid wood option that accommodates 9 bottles solid wood wine rack for $9.99 called the Hutton. One of the most peculiar product names on the list, but also one of the most unique, is the salmon hang, or salmon hang, although it has nothing to do with fish, unless you are serving little cute tuna fish sandwiches on this tray stand for $12.99. Each individual tray is $2.99. This is a great hosting product. You could build on that whole high tea phenomenon or bring little desserts and, as I said, mini sandwiches to guests. This holds 3 different trays. The salad spinner you see right here, called the Tokig, is $4.99. Surprisingly good, easy to clean. This was selling out very quickly at the Ikea where I went on this particular shopping haul. The artificial plant you see right here for $4.99 and the modern pots for $1.99. The Fenwick are fairly small plants, but great decor pieces for a desk, a shelf. You want to liven up the background for a Skype, a Zoom, or a Microsoft Team meetings, this could do the trick. In the number 10 spot, before I get to the bonus section, the chair pads you see right here for $4.99 are called the Justina, who is also one of my good friends in high school. The chair pads are soft but firm, easy to clean from what I've researched. The folding chairs, called the Goons, available in black and white, are $7.99. Again, a folding chair for under $8. If you do a lot of hosting or you have a large family, this is great for extra kids or guests showing up around the holiday time. The plastic bed tray you see right here, called the Clisp, is $7.99. Great for working in bed, breakfast in bed, on the couch. And if you want to go beyond that plastic that you see right here for this tray, the Resgods is a bamboo bed tray for $19.99. These are a total 5-star grab. And while we are on the subject of high-end wooden products, the bottle box you see right here for $5.99, called the Knaglig. It could be used on a table or a kitchen counter to house bottles as described. Could work nicely with olive oil or vinegar. Sturdy and durable, and you can stack 2 on top of each other. Now for the bonus section of more great finds at Ikea and more fun with words. Let's begin with this kids portable drawing case. My 3-year-old daughter, Mara, loves the Mala, which is $9.99, red cloth on one side, hard bamboo on the other. This is great to store colored pencils, markers, paper, art supplies, maybe a coloring book. Great for road trips or sleepovers at grandparents' house, and great when my daughter sleeps over at her friend Emma's house. This modern light fixture is a great addition to any bedroom. It caught my eye, and I was actually thinking of adding this to our house. The cord set has one name, and then the black lampshade is called the Liftmasa, $17.99. Now, before we say goodbye, I've got one final product to include. Let's call this the bonus. It's unfortunately not under $20, but it is under $25, and I wanted you to see it. It is the Björkasen, a laptop stand with a cup insert, $24.99, with some kids doing school from home and others working remotely, or if you just prefer to work from your couch. This is a beautifully engineered product with a cup holder. It's beige and it can accommodate all sorts of laptop and tablet sizes. If you've made it this far into the video and also endured all of my mispronunciation, although I did try my best, tack. That means thank you in Swedish. I really appreciate you guys being here. Please feel free to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe, turn your notification on. I've got more shopping hauls, insider store secret roundups, and more importantly, what you should be buying each month. So thank you for spending your time with me. Bye-bye.